Hey guys, Caleb Payton here with American Strutter Outfitters. I want to show you our new owl hooter that can basically fit in your shirt pocket. The way I run it is take my thumb, my index finger, I fit it right there around this area that's kind of grooved out. Then cup my rest of my fingers around it, not tight, but just so I'm not releasing any air. Take my other hand, basically the palm of it, and form it around the bottom of my right hand. So I really just use my fingers of my left hand to kind of wrap around. So I'm forming the back pressure with the palm of my left hand, okay? And it goes something like this. Now when I'm laughing, I'm just opening up right here. I'm not opening up all the way, just letting a little bit of air out to laugh, just saying wah. Just like that. And the tighter you squeeze it, the less air you're gonna let out, so you can be quieter, or if you want to open up the back of your hands to let more air out. And right there, I was just letting air out of the back of my hands. These calls are available on our website. Get you one today.